Let me ask you something. If you earn $5,000 this month, how much of it do you actually keep? Most people work hard for their income, but never fully understand where their money goes. They just see salary in, taxes out, and accept it. But here's the truth. Taxes aren't random. They're structured. They're predictable. And if you understand how they work, you can legally pay less. In this video, I'll explain how taxes actually work, how to deal with them smartly, how to minimize what you owe, and how to even use taxes to your advantage. So let's break it down simply. Taxes are money you pay to the government. Governments use taxes to fund roads, schools, hospitals, defense, public services. There are different types of taxes. Income tax, paid on the money you earn. Sales tax, paid when you buy things. Property tax, paid on real estate. Capital gains tax, paid when investments make profit. Now here's something important. Most countries use a progressive tax system. That means the more you earn, the higher percentage you pay, but only on the extra income. Example, if the first $10,000 is taxed at 10% and the next $10,000 is taxed at 20%, you don't pay 20% on everything, only on the portion in that bracket. Understanding this removes a lot of fear and confusion. First rule, accept that taxes are part of life. Avoiding taxes illegally will destroy your finances. Instead, plan for them. If you're employed, taxes are often automatically deducted. If you're self-employed or running a business, you must set aside money regularly. A simple habit, every time you get paid, put a percentage aside for taxes. Treat it like it was never yours. This prevents panic when tax season comes. How to minimize taxes legally. Now, this is where financial intelligence matters. You don't avoid taxes, you reduce taxable income. Here are basic strategies. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Retirement accounts often reduce taxable income. Deduct legitimate expenses. If you run a business, many costs are deductible. Hold investments long-term. Long-term capital gains are usually taxed lower than short-term. Use losses strategically. Investment losses can sometimes offset gains. Understand tax credits versus deductions. Deductions reduce taxable income. Credits reduce the tax you owe directly. The wealthy don't cheat taxes. They understand the system. Most people see taxes as punishment. Smart people see incentives. Governments give tax benefits to encourage behavior, like investing for retirement, starting businesses, buying homes, investing in certain industries. Why? Because it helps the economy. If you align your financial strategy with government incentives, you often pay less. Taxes are not just bills, they are signals. They show you what the government wants people to do. Taxes are not your enemy, ignorance is. If you understand how income is taxed, how deductions work, how to use tax-advantaged accounts, and how to plan ahead, you stop feeling powerless. You start making strategic decisions. The goal isn't to avoid taxes, the goal is to be efficient. Because every dollar you legally save is a dollar you can invest. If this helped you understand taxes more clearly, hit the like button so more people stop overpaying out of confusion. Subscribe because next we're breaking down retirement accounts and tax strategies in detail. And comment below, do you think taxes are too high or just misunderstood? Let's build smarter financial knowledge. See you in the next video.